sweater in the corner of my room. It still smells like rain and a faded perfume. I wrote your name in the margins of my diary, but the ink ran like tears, hiding all I wanna say quietly. I keep replaying the words I didn't speak, all the nights I was too scared to reach. Every heartbeat echoes in the empty air, and I'm haunted by the love we couldn't share. These are the letters I never sent, all the I love you that never left my chest. Every page holds a memory, every line a regret, but I can't forget, I can't forget. I walk past the cafe where we used to hide. The laughter we share now, just shadows on the side. I dream of conversations that never came true, and I keep writing letters that are only meant for you. I keep replaying the words I didn't speak, all the nights I was too scared to reach. Every heartbeat echoes in the empty air, and I'm haunted by the love we couldn't share. These are the letters I never sent, all the I love you that never left my chest. Every page holds a memory, every line a regret, but I can't forget, I can't forget. Maybe one day you'll read them in a dream, every word a whisper, every sentence a beam. Until then I'll keep them tucked away. The letters I never sent, the words I couldn't say.